Hi, my name is Liam, as you may or may not know. Can I make you feel good about yourselves or bad? Bad. Who did their homework? One person. I have one, two hands, maybe two, three. I have 3.5. 3.5. Okay. Okay, so about the homework, it's for you to help yourself. If you don't want to do it, YOLO, whatever. But if you want to get better, and then by all means do it, give it to me, we can chat about it, and all that. So, but how much you're going to get out of this depends on how much you put in. Just remember that. Okay, cool. So let's start. First question, what is a circle?
The loci of points which are equal distance from a central point.
What's a loci? Is that like Thor's brother? You could just say it's a set of arms. Okay, so a circle, should I write this down? Okay, so circle is the set of points which have a certain distance from a certain point. So a circle is defined by the center, which is usually in geometry you use the letter O, but can use anything you want actually. And then the radius R, or R. So the circle is the set of all points which have a certain distance from O, which means if I take the distance between O and any point, you get R. Okay, cool. That's the definition of a circle. Now, we're also going to be doing proofs and how to do proofs today, and also, as last week, the material is going to be kind of basic, but it's more to get you to know how to prove things. Is that cool? Would you prefer stuff more complicated? No? No? Is that, okay, that's cool. Okay, so, so that's a circle, this is the chord, and let's just draw a triangle there. Most perfect triangle you've ever seen in your life. Now, this angle is always twice that one. Who knows that? You know that? Good, you know that. Now, can you prove it? Okay, how about someone on that side? Okay, I've got a guy with a hand there. How do you prove it?
You draw another radius from O to there, higher point. And then you have three isosceles triangles.
Okay, so that, and that is equal. So that's equal to that. That's equal to that, and then what? That's equal to that.
And then find the error
Okay. Cool. Okay, can anyone finish the proof? You got those three isosceles triangles, and then what do you do? Other than you. How about you?
I've never seen the proof, but I'm guessing it has to do with similar triangles.
In this case, not really. think I saw your hand. You're like, I'm just the camera guy. Okay, someone, please, someone. This is not hard. You should hopefully have seen this in school. Okay, you.
You extend OA and creating an external angle of triangle, which is then
Wait, which one is A?
the one on top.
Okay, that's an A. That is the angle alpha. You guys need to learn your Greek letters. I should teach you. Not now.
So extend AO.
Okay, so you extend that and then
So on the O side.
on the O side, okay?
And then using the triangle, the external angle is equal to opposite, well, interior angle. Opposite.
Okay, so that is equal to twice that and that's equal to twice that. Okay, that works. Cool. Should I? No, let's not do that. Now, how do we, here's the thing, you're in the paper and you have a geometry problem, you draw the sketch, you do some stuff, and you solve the problem. So you figure out how to do what they're asking you to do. But now how do you write it up? How do you actually write up a geometry solution? Okay, should I just give like kind of the model way I would do it? Or do you want to suggest point me in the right direction? No, okay. Okay, first of all, we need to start giving our, we have a hand.
So if alpha at the top, so because of the isosceles triangles, we have basically a sum of 2 alpha in the 2 triangles. And then if we add the total angles of the 2 triangles, then the total angle at O of those 2 triangles would be 3 to 60 minus 2 theta. And because there's a full revolution, the other one has to be 2 theta.
Okay, cool. So that's a good like verbal explanation. Great. But I guess the question now is how do we write it down? Okay. So I'm going to try, might not be in a lot of space. Okay. So first of all, we're going to have to give our points some names. Usually in the problem, they would probably give them names already. A, B, and D. Obviously. So you would do something like, let's see, AO equals OD equals OB because there's an A. A, D, and B are on the circle. Right. So this is just saying that those 3 lines are equal, and therefore OAD angle is equal to ODA, and OAB is equal to OBA. Okay, so you're saying that angle is equal to that one, that angle is equal to that one. Okay. Therefore, okay, so the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to start with this big angle, do angle tracing, moving angles around until we get to twice that one. Cool. So we'll start with date of birth is equal to 360 degrees minus DOA minus BOA. Cool? That's because there's a full revolution there. And that's equal to, so 360 degrees minus, now for each of these angles that I chose there and there, I'm going to use these triangles saying that it's a sum of, so the sum of these angles is 180, so which means that DOA is 180 degrees minus ODA minus OAD, and then BOA is 180 degrees minus OBA minus OAB. Okay, so the minus 180 over there, minus 180 over there cancels with the 360, because you can do it yourself if you want to, or you can just believe me. I'm such a trustworthy guy. We have ODA plus OAD